My brain is really tired.
What point am I making here?
Namaste. Have a nice day, Carrie.
Namaste.
I love you.
Stop.
I really love you.
Turn it off. Let's do it this way, shall we? All right. So I am taking. I'm just tired of noise. And I did all the rituals, the inversions, which I do generally first, and I include my meditation with that using Insight Timer. And I just used that one for 15 minutes again. Like I said, I sit at my altar. I will do some breathing exercise. So I took a 3-mile run after that, and then I jumped into my sauna, and I then took a shower after I walked around naked for a while to cool off. And then, yes, I took the shower, and then I ate. Of course, I had to eat. And what point am I making here? The point I'm making here is that those are the great days, and every day is a great day. Just into the day in kind of a scattery way, because I think that I am doing too much. Okay, too much, as in I love my yoga and I love my art. So my mantra is inspired by desire, and where yoga and art unite. That's my whole thing. And when I say yoga, I don't just mean the physical asanas. I mean the whole part about yoga, the spiritual part about yoga. And then art includes teaching art, paintings, doing drawings. I'm getting into feminine drawings of the vulva. And then painting, I'm also doing the same thing. I'm in Georgia O'Keeffe style work. And then I make, and I'm not getting very far because my brain, and here's my point, my brain has so many ideas in it, because I feel like a super creator gone wrong right now, and I have to do something to change that. And I have no apologies for it, and I have no apologies for it, and I have no apologies for it. I'm not going to apologize to myself and what it's doing to me, and I'm not apologizing to anybody else. This is just my feeling. Today, I had a list of things that I was going to do, but my body was screaming, no, 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 on a couple different things. No, no, no. As in, I'm tired of people telling me, make sure you have a great day. I know that's not a nice thing to say necessarily, but make sure you eat good today. Make sure you get outside. Make sure you do this. Make sure you do that. I have to do and honor what my body says. That's what I'm doing, okay? And I don't have to do any of those things. I am now going to take a little nap, because I am a nap master since as long as I can remember. And it's nothing wrong with taking naps at all. Nothing wrong with it. So even though I've been trying to take a nap, I keep plopping back up. I'm not really sure what's going on. I think it's the need. It's that guilty thing. I'm trying to guilt myself into doing something as being a procrastinator, even though I know that I have time to do it tomorrow. I have time to do it this weekend, and I do create better at night. So with that being said, I'm going to close this down and say thank you for watching and understanding that we all are different people, and please don't offer suggestions to others when they're not asking for suggestions, which is what I'm also practicing. And live your life, please. But my brain is really tired, so I'm gonna take a break and, maybe fall asleep, maybe not. But does it really matter to you? No, it doesn't. Am I giving you permission? Maybe. You can take it for whatever you want, but I am definitely gonna chill. So, namaste to you, and namaste to you.